Hey, Ryan. How are ya? How's it going? Hey, Harry. Nice to see you. Dannon, good morning. Or afternoon. Oh my God, it's not good morning. I'm used to saying good morning. Verbochi, nice to see you. Waspy, nice to see you. Hey guys, good afternoon. Average Bert, Rafal. Good morning. Hey James, good morning. Hey guys, I'm Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. We do crypto charts every single morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, but I am on this afternoon because I got taken off this morning. So we're gonna try this for about a half an hour this afternoon. Verbochi, Cars and Planes, nice to see ya. Good, I was gonna say good morning again. Good afternoon. Nice to see you. Verbochi, what are you looking at? I'm gonna do some alts today, guys. We're just gonna be on here for about a half hour. We'll see what happens. Maybe I'll get kicked off again. If you guys want to see an alt, go ahead and drop it in the chat. I will take some time to go over the alts today. Uncle Aaron, nice to see you guys. If you could share the live out, that would really, really help the live. Again, I'm Chelsea. Crazy recovery. I'm in shock, honestly. I know, right? I know. We're back, said Uncle Aaron. Nice to see you. Guys, I'm Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a chick with the backwards hat. We like to go over the crypto charts here. This is not my normal time. I am live every single morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you guys are into crypto, or if you'd like to be, XRP, yes, we can take a look at XRP. Thank you for the roses, Cars and Planes. Nice to see you. BB's Handler, hi. Guys, we are going to go over a couple of alts today. We are obviously making a little bit of a recovery. Charles, good morning. Nice to see you. Guys, if you would share out the live, hit the screen for likes, guys. C, nice to see you. Good afternoon. Guys, I'm going to be doing that the whole stream, right? I have a whole thing done. Leo Trades, nice to see you. Hey, C, thank you for the roses. Guys, thank you for the heartbeats and the roses. That really helps the stream. We are going to, Leo, I'm going to have to block you. I'm sorry. Here we go, guys. Right? Here we go. I am going to go straight to the charts right now. We are going to start charting. I'm going to make myself small. We're going to make the charts big, and we are going to get started. Abe, Eddie, nice to see you. Guys, I'm going to make myself small right now. We're going to take the charts, and we are going to, if I can do that. There I am. All right, we are going to put baby in a corner, and we're going to get started. Guys, thank you so much for the gifts today. Cars and, I had my child, but then had a week away. I missed it. Cars and Planes, right? Come back in, just use another email address and do the trial again. And you can try it out again. Guys, thank you so much for being in here today. I'm Chelsea, I'm the Bullish Babe. Hey, James, nice to see you. We're going to get started. I'm just going to chart a little bit today. I know we have dumped and then pumped, and we are going to take a look at the charts right now. Yeah, Cars and Planes, come on back in, right, and try it out. Guys, I have an off TikTok group. It is called Level Up. If you haven't seen me before, and this is your first time in here, please do say hi to me in the chat. I would love to shout you out. And go ahead and join my group. It is in the first link in my bio. Let's get started. Hey, the change. Nice to see you. Guys, we're going to get started with Bitcoin right now. Why? Because Bitcoin's daddy still. Until we decide something different. I'm joining after this live. I'm so glad, Cars and Planes. Guys, I'm also a Bitunix affiliate. If you are looking for a place to trade crypto on, guess who's back for right now, Caveman? Guys, Caveman's in the audience. Go ahead and give him a follow. There's only 29 people in here, but we're going to do the best we can. Guys, here we go. Let's go to Bitcoin. Let's take a look at what we're doing here. I'm going to go to the daily. Actually, guys, we're going to start off on the 4 hour today because I only have a good to see you far. Nice to see you. We're going to go to the 4 hour. We're going to see what's happening on here. What's your strategy? Guys, my trading strategy is a combination of moving averages. I am support and resistance and diagonal trading lines. I use those a lot. However, I am also a very heavy pattern trader. So I trade patterns first. Then I look at the moving averages. Then I look at support and resistance. And we see if they're in the middle of, I want to be your MVP. Can you give me a follow? I'm not going to give you a follow, Vivian. I barely follow anyone. I'm sorry. I'm already one of your members. You mind following me? Guys, I'm sorry. I don't follow a lot of people, and I have a lot of scammers right now. Jay Heat is in the audience. Nice to see you. Here we go, guys. Let's go to Bitcoin. That is my strategy. I am a heavy pattern trader. I respect support and resistance. I respect the moving averages, and I use diagonal trend lines to guide me. We are so back, said Jay Heat. I hope so. Nice to see you. Here we go, guys. Let's take a look at the 4 hour for Bitcoin. Are we in a bear flag? Nah, not right now. We have jumped out of the bear flag right now, guys. Right? We have jumped out of the bear flag, and we are now sitting at the top of the bear flag. However, if we roll over and we get back inside of this bear, yeah, I know, Darren, it is confusing. I will say I am a major ADHD person. Sorry, not been around much. That's all right, Jay Heat. I have major ADHD. I'm also a heavy pattern trader. So I need to actually leave my lines on the chart. So you will see these. Our motto in here is I have messy charts. I have organized thoughts, and they make pretty profits. Trading aliens. No, I'm not trading aliens. Good morning, guys. Here we go. We have just jumped out of a bear flag right now, this morning, right? What we said in this live this morning before I got suspended. Vivian, thank you. C, thank you. Jay Heat, thank you. Is bullish babe, bearish babe by the end of this year? I don't know, right? What we said this morning is I use Mudang. It is a meme coin as a precursor to the market. When Mudang wants to jump, very, very likely we're going to make a hop. And what happened this morning was there was a gap on the 5-minute chart for Mudang. Also, Bitcoin dominance was looking like it was going to fall. And what did I say in the live this morning, guys? I said I think we are going to make a pop and the alts are going to fly. Guess what we did? That is exactly what we did. And right now we are sitting at the top of this bear flag for Bitcoin. As you guys know, there is a inverted head and shoulders in here. We have jumped out of it. And if we cross this level right here at 64,093, this is where we are headed. To 64,750, 50. My eyes are getting insanely wrecked right now. Baby Joker, I'm sorry, right? I'm sorry. Bear flag on BTC. Guys, let me show you the bear flag on BTC, right? We'll start there. Bear flag on BTC. Here it is, guys. Right here, we have been doing nothing different for months and months and months. You guys know I have been bearish babe in here, right? What have we done? We have fallen down from our major support up here, and we have bear flagged down all the way. We bear flagged right here, and then we fell out of that bear flag, and we formed another one. Now we are sitting right above the bear flag, right? What we are looking to do is this. We need to invalidate this bear flag. When do we invalidate this bear flag? Why not? Nice to see you. I know, I'm bearish babe. Nice to see you. I heard you quit meme coins. Is that a rumor? All right, is that a rumor? I just bought some calls. There we go, baby Joker. What I am seeing here is this, guys. We need to invalidate this flag. How do we do that? That's a joke. Okay, good. He didn't quit meme coins, guys. Give him a follow. If you like meme coins, he is the one to follow. He is in the trenches every single day. We need to get up and above 64,679. We don't get above 64,679. Guess what, guys? We're going to roll over and we're going to fall right back into this bear flag. And how do we treat a pattern that price has previously respected, guys? We treat it as if it never left. So if we turn around and we fall back into this bear flag, guess what? We can break right back down, right? And right now the Stokes are rolling over on the daily. That is not a great sign. However, the MACD is coming up, guys. And the Stokes, sorry, the RSI is rolling over. The MACD is coming up. The Stokes are rolling over. However, look at the curvature on the Stokes, right? Mr. Ethan, I'm sorry, you can't spam my chat, right? There we go. We gotta block a lot of people tonight. Here we go, guys. We are rolling up on the Stokes. We have curvature here on the daily. I'm gonna go down to the 8 hour. 8 hour is curving up. We are at the bottom of the channel for the Stokes. Guys, what does that mean? That we can push up, but only if we can hold this level. We don't hold the top of the channel here. We're gonna roll down and we're gonna come back down, right? Very, very likely, if we do not hold this level right here at the top of the channel, we're gonna roll over and we're gonna come back down. 8 hour is looking like we have some push on the downside, right? JC, killing me with the chat, dude. Right? Killing me with the chat. Here we go. 4 hour is looking like we are coming up. However, we are slumping over. And if we slump over and we come down, that is not a good sign. MACD is looking like it wants to turn up and it wants to push. Lynn, thank you for the follow. Guys, if you're in here for the first time, I'm Chelsea. I'm the bullish babe. I do this every morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. However, I got kicked off the live this morning, so I'm doing it this afternoon. We're back, right? We need to get back up. That's what Chris Brown and T.I. say in this song. That's what we're doing right now. We are flattening out on the RSI on the 1 hour. And guys, look at what we are forming right here. What is this? It's a bull flag. We are trying to pop out of this, but if we roll over, we're going to double top here. And if you have been in my classes, right? What we say in my classes is that when we have a bull flag, you have to always watch this top wick at the top of the bull flag. Why? Because more than likely what we can do is come up to the top of the wick on the bull flag, roll over, and come down. This is the Bear Flag Cat Ears channel, JC. I love haters. You have no idea. Happy Monday, and you're welcome. Right? TikTok is trying to stop greatness, says Tabaroshi. Here we go, guys. If we pop out of this bull flag, we will go to 64,648, and if we get up and over there, we have verified and invalidated this pump and the bear flag, right? That is what we're looking to do right now. We are looking like we're rolling over on the 1 hour, though. We're looking like we're rolling over on the 4 and on the 8. Can the lower time frames flip us, guys? That is what we need to do. 1 hour, looking like it wants to roll over as well. 45-minute, hot on the RSI, hot on the Stokes. MACD is pushing to the top. Guys, right, we saw this morning. There was a rollover. The MACD was pushing us to the top. And then, guess what happened? We pumped out. We do have a bull flag right here, guys. That bull flag target is up here at 65,494. What strategy do you use, guys? I am a heavy pattern trader. I also trade support and resistance and diagonal trend lines while all looking at the moving averages. I get in on the 1 hour when a 1 hour candle opens decisively above or below the moving averages. That is my strategy. Nice to see you, Ernest. Here we go, guys. Here is our target right here at 65,474. We're going to go down the lower time frames and see if we can push. 45-minute. Sheesh. Okay, yeah. 45-minute is looking like we want to roll over. Guys, this is looking like a rollover and a double top right here. See this? Here's one top. Here's the second top. We stop right here. We couldn't get through resistance. If we do not get through 64K, guys, we are rolling over. I'm trying to roll over, says baby. I like your attitude. I'm following to see you again. Hopefully, Ernest, thank you. I appreciate you. It is looking like we're rolling over here, not just because we are rolling on the higher time frames, guys. Look at what's happening. There is a little M pattern in here. This little M pattern is probably on the 7. You don't have a 99% sure signal. No one does, right? There we go. Eric Watson is in the house. Thank you to my mods, guys. Eric Watson, Rude Boy, Assisted, Money Talk, Lady Long Term, Kelly, Sarah, Shauna, Jay Heat, V-Rose, and Dream to Action. I appreciate you guys. I'm rolling up as we speak. There we go. You just started and you have 75 people. I know, right? We'll see if they stay in. Here we go, guys. On the 7-minute. Look at what's happening here. We are rolling, guys, right? We need to hold this level right here at 63,336, or else we are rolling back into the channel. This is a M pattern. Here is one hump of the M. Here's the second hump of the M. Guys, we roll down. Here is our target right here. How do you measure an M pattern? From the top of the M to the bottom of the trend line, and you drag this down to the supposed breakout. There it is, guys. BB, I just want to say I'm pretty happy you and Cosmic are over. I just came from his stream. Oh, is he still talking about me? Going through it. I don't know. Here we go, guys. B-Rose is in the house. Nice to see ya. Here we go. One hump of the M, second hump of the M. Guys, we bleed this level down. I wish him well, guys, right? That's it. We break this level at 63,620. Very, very likely. Hey, Crypto TikToks, nice to see you. We will break this level and we will come down here. Guys, our target on this M pattern is down here at 63,200. Hey, Crypto TikToks, guys, give Crypto TikToks a follow. He is a great creator. I love watching him. Scott Davis, nice to see you. Team BB, Cars and Planes, nice to see you. Here we go, guys. Our target is down here in the channel. What do we know? We know that the higher time frames are looking like they want to roll over, and the lower time frames are, yes, still talking trash. Great. Great. Guys, here we go. We roll over. We are back inside the channel. Not so great anymore. Thanks to TikTok. Join the club, Crypto TikToks. I just listened to your message. Mr. Des, nice to see you. Guys, we're rolling right now. We just fell out under this trend line. Very, very likely we are going to get to this level. Here we go. He blocked me because of my video today. I didn't even see the video today, but I'm going to take a look at it. Guys, follow B-Rose. He is a great creator as well. You need to follow great creators in this space. There are a good amount of them. Here we go, guys. We're going to make our way down to this level right here at 63,336. If we don't hold that level and we don't hold this diagonal trend line under us at 63,231, we are coming down. Right? That is what we are doing. The higher time frames say so, and now we are rolling over on the lower time frames. Back in the channel, Mr. Des, you got it. Right? If we roll back at blocking people is such a 12-year-old way to do Crypto TikToks. You crack me up. Here we go, guys. I have to put my focus on. Hold on. There we go. All right, here we go. We roll under this level right here. We're going to come down here to this diagonal trend line. That is exactly where the target is taking us. If we come down there and we cannot hold it, guys, we are back in the channel. Fairground, nice to see you. I'll be quiet unless you focus. It's all right. No worries. Here we go, guys. We have an M pattern. We thought it was a bull flag. However, we don't lift up and pop out of this. We are rolling back in the channel. Let me go to XRP, guys. We're going to do some alts right now. Whoever you listen to, hopefully you're making money. Exactly. Ghost, nice to see you. I'm so glad you're here today. Guys, if you could share out the live and tap the screen and chat in the chat, those things are really going to help the live. Thank you so much. We're going to lift off here soon. I hope so, Bill Klein. Right? I hope so. However, these time frames are not saying that right now. We are trying to lift up on the 7-minute. However, my coin calls. However, guys, if we do not lift up, yeah, we can do near today. Look at the 15-minute, guys. We are dripping out on the 15-minute. We are also rolling over on the MACD. The Stokes are rolling over. Fuse it until the 4th. There we go. Altcoin season around the corner. I hope so, right? Bull flag. Yeah, NFT Wizard. It is a bull flag. But if we can't hold on to the bull flag, we're falling back into the channel, right? Here we go. We are rolling over on the RSI. RSI 6 just pushed through the 12 and 24 to the downside. Push, push, push. We are also rolling over on the MACD. Stokes are dripping out on the 15-minute. Spaceys, thank you so much for sharing the live. Guys, he is a great creator as well. He does a lot of good vibes and music. Give him a follow. Here we go. Look at this. Guys, the 1 hour is falling out of the pocket. Thank you, Spacey. Thank you, Scott Davis. I appreciate you. The 1 hour is falling out of the pocket. RSI 6 looks like it wants to go through the 12 and the 24 to the downside. Guys, when that happens, very, very likely we are rolling over. I'm a Taurus. I can smell bull anywhere, says Bill Klein. I hope so, Bill. I hope you're right. I can't wait for 2030, says Caveman. Guys, give Caveman a follow. He is one of my favorite creators on this app. Thank you for being here. Here we go, guys. If we roll down here, look at the 1 hour Stokes. Look at the Stokes. Look at the 1 hour RSI. Look at the MACD rolling over right now. Let's check the 15-minute. Let's see if the 15-minute. Thank you, Spacey. Let's no lift off on the 15-minute, guys. It looks like that M pattern is going to break us down. If it breaks us here, let me know, right? Guys, if we break 63, 224, if one of my mods could post that in the chat, please do. If we break that, let me know in the chat. Guys, I'm Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. I do this every morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Guys, if you haven't followed me, please follow me directly from the live. I have about 600 copycats on this app, and they will try to scam me in your DMs. Please follow me directly from the live right now. This is my only account. Guys, we are rolling over right here. 63,600. Let's take a look at some of the alts. Let's go to XRP first. I know that's a fan fave in here. We're going to go to XRP. We will check out near, and we will rush through some of these alts, as many as I can get to. Here we go, guys. Here's XRP. I'm kind of glad I'm here right now, right? We are rolling over 6,300. Guys, we break that level, let me know, right? Here we go. We've got an M pattern on XRP as well. Here we go. We are on the 15-minute. For XRP, we are dripping out on the RSI. We are rolling over on the MACD, and the Stokes are pointed down aggressively. Guys, we had a pump today. Does this mean that the pump is over? No, it isn't. Follow the original bullish babe all the way. Fairground, thank you so much. Guys, I'll do blue. Blur USDT. We'll do near. SUI, XLM. Yep, we'll do those. All right, guys, thank you so much for being here today. I appreciate you. We are glad you are here, guys. I teach a class every day at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you guys want to learn how to chart and how to trade, please come and jump in that class. It is in the first link in my bio. I teach her every single day at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's not a signals group, guys. We go over strategies. I have a lesson every single day. Come and join us. It's 7 days free right now, $3 a day after that. Contessa, nice to see you. Crypto Queen, thank you for the follow. All the BB impersonators follow me, he says. Here we go, says Jay Heat. Follow Jay Heat, guys. He's a great creator as well. Here we go. And one of my day one ride or dies on this app. Thank you for all you do. Here we go, guys. We have an M pattern here. This is on XRP on the 15-minute. We're going to go up through the time frames. However, the higher time frames are probably rolling over as well. Spacey, thank you. How do we measure an M pattern? From the top of the M. Sorry, I have to move my chat, guys. Here we go. From the top of the M to the bottom of the trend line, and we drag this to the supposed breakout. Where is that going to lead us? Guys, we break this level right here. Here are your levels on XRP. The 3 best friends anyone can have. I love that. Guys, we bleed this level right here at 114.06. Very, very likely this M pattern is breaking out down to here at 112.84. What we have to do is we have to go to the lower time frames to see if they have liftoff. Why? Because, guys, we are also in a bull flag. Here's the bull flag. I give you the bullish and bearish case every day. Why? Because I don't know where we're going. I'm just a chick with a backwards hat who likes the charts. That is it. We need to know both ways. When I was in school today, one of the things that I said is you should see a bullish and a bearish pattern on every single time frame. Then you work out the probability of that actually breaking out either way. That is what we do when we are charting. She usually does know where we're going, though, said WeFlex. Thank you. Here we go, guys. Here is the poll. This is the flag right here. If we decide that we want to hold this diagonal trend line right here, we can break out in this bull flag. Where are we heading to? Here we go, guys. Let's go down to the lower time frames. Let's go to the 7-minute. Let me mute this guy. Lot of scammers in the chat, guys. Do not follow anyone out of this chat, please. Up, please, BB. I'm in a long. Yeah, we can take. Is it up USDT? Cars and planes? I'll take a look at it. Here we go, guys. Right? We pop out of this level right here. We can make it up. Here are your levels on XRP. First level to the downside, 112.93. And guys, I do see a little bit of curvature on the 7-minute. Let's go to the 5-minute. Kim, thank you for the follow. Sorry, I wanted to go up, said Cars and Planes. I thought you were giving me a ticker, Cars and Planes. Hundreds, nice to see you. Here we go, guys. Are we getting a little bit of liftoff? 7-minute is telling us it wants to curve. 5-minute is not telling us that. 3-minute is curving up a little bit. Here we go, guys. Are we going to hold on to this level? Here are your levels to the upside and the downside on XRP, and I'm going to move through the alts today, right? Here we go. First level to the downside. If we fall down and break this level at 114.11, we are going here. Here is the target. Pay attention to my levels, not my targets, right? Targets don't matter unless you can get through the levels of support and resistance. Guys, thank you for the follow, right? We pay attention to levels here. That's why my course is called Leveled Up. Great song. Yes, it is. Right? If you want to join my course, it is $3 a day, but it's 7 days free right now. I teach in there live every single day at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Where are all the crypto nerds lately? Hey, Jay Dan, we're here. You're here. Guys, give him a follow. He is a great creator, a great trader, and a great chartist. And he does stuff completely differently than I do. Here we go, guys. If we bleed this level right here at 114.09, we're coming down here at 112.87. We bleed that level. Very, very likely we're coming down here at 111.96, and then here to this diagonal trend line at 110.93. I'm here. Crypto is king. There we go. Guys, there are your levels to the downside on XRP. If we hold this level that we are sitting at right now, very, very likely, we're going to pop back up to the top of this bull flag. And we are going to get up and out of here. Here are your levels to the upside on XRP. First level to the upside. We need to break 1505. We don't break that, we're not going anywhere. And remember, the higher time frames are looking like they want to roll over. Even if the lower time frames start to curve up, they need to push us up, and we need to move with the Stokes and the RSI, or else we are coming down. Right? People need to wake up. You got it, JDan. Right? Go XRP. I'm invested in you too. There we go, Fairground. Here we go, guys. 1505. First level to break to the upside. Next level is always at the top of the pole of the bull flag. Why? Because, guys, we can double top there at any time. We need to watch that and make sure we don't. 115.97. We need to get up and over that, and that is the 50% level in the channel that XRP has been in since February 5th, right? That's where we've been. We need to get up and over 115.97. We get up and over there. We are going to try and get to 116.81. And if we get up and over there, guys, we are trying to get to this level right here at 118.92 and then to the target of the bull flag, right? There we go, guys. Here's the target of the bull flag, 120.11. Let's check and see what the lower time frames are doing. 3 minute. Trying to lift up here, guys. Trying to hang on to that diagonal trend line at the bottom of the bull flag. Bull market is here. Safe bet. No, it isn't yet. No, it isn't yet. I wish it was, right? But we are not there yet, guys. My target for Bitcoin, not yet, says J Dan. Guys, there we go. Me and J Dan both saying it, right? We are not there yet. Alan, nice to see you. Guys, thank you so much for being in here today. I appreciate you. Accumulation, right? Guys, we're not there yet. We are at 3,000 right now, right? My level to switch 50% bullish is at 89.9K, and my level to switch bullish is at 108. We're not even close, right? We're not even close. We need liquidity or else we're cooked, right? We either get liquidity from new investors or we go down and get the liquidity under us, guys. That's how it works, right? We have run out of liquidity here. You can see from the resistance that we have formed above our head, and every time we go up, we come down, right? Until we stop doing that, we're not going to believe Bitcoin. We are going to only believe it when it proves it. Don, thank you. Safe bet, thank you. I appreciate you. Guys, here we go. Here's the target of the bull flag. 119.98. We're trying to curve on the 5 minute as well. Can we curve and push us up and out? 7 minute is looking like we're curving as well. Let's take a look at the 15 minute. Guys, 15 minute is super hot on the Stokes and the RSI. We're trying to curve up, and can we get up and out of here? Yeah. Hey, H, nice to see you. Alan, nice to see you. BTC is performing well. Hey, Amy. Yeah, we've been holding, right? There's your levels on XRP, guys. Let's go to the 1 hour, right? Here's the 1 hour. We're going to take a look at the 1 hour right now. Here is where we see the bull flag the clearest. However, are you guys looking at the RSI and the Stokes and the MACD? MACD is green, but it's rolling over. B-Dogs, hey, how are you? I'm back. And a little bit of Feel Me Flow by Naughty by Nature, right? Here we go. We are rolling over on the RSI. RSI 6 is trying to push through the 12 and the 24 to the downside. Guys, this is what I say all the time. The higher and the mid time frames are in one side of the scale. The other side of the scale is the lower time frames. If you start piling the higher time frames into one side of the scale, they are like boulders, right? If you wait until 108, you missed half of the bull run. Guess what, Cooper? I would rather wait and know that we are going up than to guess and get cooked, right? And I have been saying that for a really long time. Guys, if you are in my trading group, we say this all the time. If you miss an entry, it is okay. I'm here for the emergency meeting. Hey, Heavy Metal, nice to see you. Same swing again, short now, 20 minutes ago. Hey, America Vicious, nice to see you. Guys, here it is. Even as a trader, If you miss an entry, Cooper just said if you wait till 108, you've missed half the bull run. Guys, I would rather know for sure that we are in a macro uptrend than to guess and then get cooked and buy so much higher. I am here for you guys every day, not because I make a ton of money on TikTok, right? I don't, right? What I am here for is because I remember being new in crypto and I remember buying and then watching my portfolio go down 80%. And guys, when people are on this app telling you that it is the bottom and to buy, and then we go down 30%, guess what? You are going to be really, really disappointed, right? Well, if you buy at 60K and the bottom is 50K, it really don't matter after the next 3 years. Gigantor, right? Like, guys, you buy when it's good for you. What I will say is I'm not calling a bottom yet because I don't see it yet. Evening. Hey, Taylor. Nice to see you. Guys, we are rolling over on the Stokes. The RSI MACD is rolling over as well. We need to hold this level right here at 113.96. We don't hold this level, guess what? Right? We're rolling. We're rolling. I'm in already. Gigantor. That's great. Guys, the best way and the safest way to buy into crypto is to DCA anyway, right? Is to DCA anyway. That way, it doesn't matter when you get in, not financial advice, but that is the best way to get into crypto. Glad to see you back from this morning. You must enjoy the free lessons. There we go. Guys, let's go to Near. I haven't done Near in a really long time. I'm going to show you my process on Near because we haven't done it. Thank you to whoever suggested this. Let's go, and I'll do XLM right after that. Here we go, guys. Let's take a look at Near Protocol. I haven't done this in a hot minute, right? Jay Dan is in here, guys. Give him a follow. He is a great creator. He does a lot of lives, and he is a great, never go all in. Always have some dry power for a significant event, NACO. What a great comment. I love that. Nice to see you. Guys, if you haven't followed me and you would like to, please follow me directly from the live. Otherwise, you'll get a bunch of copycats. You will never know that it's the real me. This is my only account. I have 600 copycats on this app. Please follow me directly from the live. Here we go, guys. We're going to start off on the 8 hour. What are we doing for Near here, guys? Right? Here we go. Right? We are in here. Okay. We are in a big falling wedge on the 8 hour for Near. Right? Near, guys. Here we go. Big falling wedge on the 8 hour. However, and we have hopped out of it, like a lot of the alts, I will say, Jay Dan has the best music in his life, Gigantor. I'm not going to deny that. Actually, I have a Jay Dan playlist on my phone. I've been DCing and I'm only down 10%. There we go, Cooper. Like, that's the way to do it. I'm a secret DJ. I know you are. I know you are. You want to come DJ my lives? Let's you can trade. I don't know what that means, but thank you for being in here. Here we go, guys. We are in a big falling wedge on Near Protocol. Here we go. On the 8 hour, we have jumped out of the falling wedge, guys. Where do falling wedges go to? Where do they like to go to? They like to go to the top of the falling wedge. Technically, we should be making our way up to 302.11, right? That's got to be a bad, yes, it is a good playlist, right? Yes, it is. Jay Dan knows, right? Here we go. Guys, falling wedges usually break up to where they begin. Where did this one begin? 302.11. Where are we going to try to make our way up to? 302.11. We are rolling on the RSI. We are looking like we are rolling over on the Stokes. And, oh, Handler, my 7 a.m. man has arrived. There he is. We were joking about that the other day. Here we go, guys. We are coming up on the MACD, though, right? And what are we breaking out of right here? We are breaking out of a bull flag. You can see it plain as day. Here is the pull. Here is the flag. We have broken out of the bull flag to the upside. Now, here is the if-then statement, guys. We are sitting right at the wick at the top of the pull. What do we say when we're sitting on top of the wick? Guys, it gets sketchy. Why does it get sketchy? Because the wick at the top of the pole can always create an M pattern, right? We come up here, we are sitting right here. We don't break this resistance. We are rolling over and creating an M pattern and coming back down, right? Excuse me, I don't have any of my water people in here today. Here we go, guys. We don't get past this level right here. Here's your levels to the upside. That picture was before the tattoo. Here we go, guys. We need to get up and over to 1130 on Near. We get up and over to 1130, guys. We can jump up and out of this bull flag. What validates a bull flag? What validates a bull? Share the live, guys. Let's find those crypto sleepers. Guys, if you would share the live, that would be awesome. That is a whole glass of vodka. There we go, crypto TikToks. Guys, what validates a bull flag or a bear flag? What validates it for me is when you get past the top wick on the pole of a bull flag. You get past that top wick, we can go. We're actually breaking out of this bull flag. You don't get past that wick, you create a double top and you come down. Thank you, JDM. Right? Here we go, guys. First level is right here at 211.30. Next level, we've got some resistance here at 227.81. And then up to the target of the bull flag. We get up here, right here at 239.42. NACO, what wick? This one right here, let me lengthen this out. Right? If you don't get up and over the top wick of a bull flag, this is not a validated bull flag, right? You need to get up and over the top wick, which is right here. Here is the pole. This is the flag right here. We get up and over this top wick decisively. No problem, NACO. Nice to see you, right? We get up and over this wick right here decisively. We can go. Is there a chance BTC will break through 6,500 this week? There is always a chance, Amy. Right? Wade Garten Farms, thank you for the follow. Here we go, guys. We get up and over this at 211.30 decisively. We do have some resistance here at 228.74, and then we go to the target of the bull flag at 236. Guys, we get up to 236. Sorry, 239. We get up to 239. We are very close to this resistance level right here. It's 249.19. That is going to be your next level of resistance on near. Guys, we get up and over 249.19. We will run at this level right here at 269.72. I'm going to give you the downside as well. FNT, nice to see you. Thank you for popping the FYP in the chat. Guys, thank you for being here. I have the best team in here. We have Eric Watson, Lady Longterm, Money Talk, Rude Boy, Assistant, Kelly, Sarah, Shauna, Jay Heat, B-Rose, and Dream to Action. Guys, thank you for being my mods in here. I appreciate you guys. We're going to go to BTC at the end. I already did it, top dense, but I'm going to go there at the end. We get up here, guys. We're going to go here and then here. All right? Those are your upside targets. Here are your downside targets. I'm going to go down to the 4 hour. We're going to see what the 4 hour is doing. Are we rolling still? We are rolling still on the 8 hour. Uh-oh. I see some curvature, guys, right? Emil, thank you so much for the follow. I see a little bit of curvature here. I kind of like that, right? MACD is still green. We are curving on the RSI here, guys. If we curve on the RSI on the 4 hour and we're doing it, BTC is bullish. Right now it is. Right now it is. 1 hour. Guys, I don't know exactly where we are going. I do charts minute to minute, hour to hour, day to day, week to week. Right? I am never just saying that we are going one direction or the other. I always give you the bullish and the bearish case because we can go either way. Emil, thank you. What are we looking at here, guys? We are rolling over on the 1 hour. I do not like that. Why? The 1 hour is where I enter my trades, guys. Right? When we are rolling over on the 1 hour and we roll through, if we roll through these moving averages right here, we're in trouble. Why? The moving averages, when they are bundled, act like support and resistance, whether they are above your head or below, right? Or below price action. When they are below price action and you start rolling through these on the 7, the 15, the 30, that is an indication that we are rolling over. And right now, it does look like we're going to roll over. 1 hour is rolling over. RSI 6 is pushing through the 12 and the 24 to the downside. Stokes are rolling over right here. Good song. And we are slumping on the MACD, guys. Candles are getting lower, less volume, lighter, right? We are rolling over on the MACD. Let's go to the 30-minute or the 27-minute. Like I like. Looks like near. This is near, Beavis. Nice to see you. Guys, here we go. We're sitting on them right now. We roll through these moving averages on the 27-minute. More than likely, and look at what I see now, guys. We have an Adam and Eve double top right here. Here is the Adam top. Here is the Eve top. Very, very likely this is going to want to break down. Why? Because all of the lower time frames are doing it and the higher time frames. Near volume gap 2.082 to 211. There we go, Mike. Here's the Adam top. Here's the Eve top. How do we measure this? We measure from the top of the highest top to the bottom of the trend line, and we drag that down. Guys, there it is. We are rolling through, and unless we get some lift off on the lower time frames that are actually curving up and coming up, this is where we are headed first. Here's your downside targets for Near Protocol, guys. First level is here. We have just dropped it, 206.88, right? We're now at 206.61. We make our way through these moving averages to the downside. Very, very likely we're going to make our way to this target right here at 202.68. That is your first move down to the downside. What is the more important move, guys? If we get down here, that does not scare me. That may just be a cool off. Beavis, nice to see you. That may just be a cool off, right? That's a lot of indicators. It always is. Happy Raccoon, nice to see you, right? We roll down here and we roll down below these moving averages right here. This does not scare me. What would scare me if we drop this level? Guys, we get here and we do not hold the 50 and the 200 on the 27 minute, right? Because we're on this time frame right now. If we don't hold those, we are coming down here at 195.19. And if we drop that level, look at what we are dropping, guys. If we drop this level right here at 195.60, we will come back to the top of the falling wedge, right? At 176.43. Those are your levels to the downside, guys. Near Protocol is looking like we want to roll. Let's go to the lower time frames. Let's see if we've got some curvature here. We need a savior, guys. Top Dense, nice to see you. We need a savior. Here we go on the 15 minute. 15 minute looks like it wants to curve up. However, what do we have to get up and above to actually get up and above and break this bull flag out? We need to get up and above 207.52. We don't get above 207.52. This right here is a bearish retest. And here's a little bear flag right here. This would be a bearish retest of this level right here at 207.31. And then we would break it down, trader. Nice to see ya. And then we would break it down. Here's the bear flag right here. Here's the pull. Here's the flag. We break this little bear flag down, guys. This is where we're headed first. We're headed to 204.28 and then down here at the 50, guys, at 202.55. Wait, Marcus, I'm so glad you're here. I needed water. Thank you. Made 20K trading today. There we go, trader. Here we go, guys. That is Near Protocol for you. What I will say, 15 minute wants to curve up. Does it want to pop us back in this bull flag? Maybe, right? Maybe we need to get up and above this level, which, by the way, would get us up and above the moving averages on the 7, the 5, and the 3 at 207.32. Thank you, trader. Nice to see you. Congratulations. I made 35K on BTC. Guys, you're killing it. What platform are you guys using? If you guys are leverage traders and you want to use a new platform and you want to get a bonus and you want to support my channel, go to bitunix.com. It is at the top of my screen. They're offering a 20% bonus. That is the exchange that I use on a regular basis. Top Dense, try Bitunix, even if it's for the bonus. See if you like it better, right? I have tried weeks. This is the one that I use the most. I have traded there every single day for 3 years. We have our own personal rep, and I can get you a VIP status if you have one. 20% bonus on deposit now, guys, for Bitunix. Go to bitunix.com, put in Bullish Babe, and you'll get the bonus. And it supports my channel. You guys get a bonus. I get commission. Works both ways. I appreciate you, those of you who have already done that. Guys, we get up and above 207. We get back in this bull flag. We can pop out. Thank you, Top Dense. Guys, thank you to those of you who have already done that. That supports my channel. And if you're a trader anyway, and you're trading leverage anyway, why not trade on a new platform and see if you like it better, right? I've tried a lot of platforms. I only rep one. A lot of creators rep a bunch of them. That is the one that I use. I don't rep things that I don't use. And they are a very easy one to use. Alex, good guys, it's not morning. Good afternoon, right? I'm a little discombobulated. Real Eve, I'm back. They let me get back on. Thank you. Farrell Candles is in the house. Nice to see you, Farrell. What are you seeing? Guys, we don't get above this level. We're breaking down. Let's go to XLM. Those are your levels on Near. I'm back for the moment, Farrell. I'm back for the moment. If you guys don't need Farrell, good morning here in Australia. Hi, Top Dense. Nice to see you. If you guys don't know Farrell, she is part of my team here. She is an unbelievable genius at the VIX and trading, right? And I've learned so much from her. We work as a team here. Best app to use for stocks and trading. Guys, I use Bitunix. If one of my mods can post that in the chat, it is bitunix.com. If you put in my code, you'll get 20%, a 20% bonus. You can actually trade crypto, crude, gold and silver, Forex, and IPOs all on the same platform. So if you want to try it out, use my code. If you're a VIP trader on another platform, I can get you the same status on Bitunix. All you have to do is sign up with my code, DM me, and let me know, and prove your trading volume, and we can get you a VIP status there. Guys, thank you so much for doing that. It supports my channel, right? Guys, Farrell is an unbelievable genius at the VIX. She helps me every single day. She has been trading for a very long time. Thank you for being in here. Guys, we're a hive mind in here. I don't work alone. I have people that work with me and help me throughout the live, and I appreciate you guys, right? Here we go, guys. Let's go to XLM. Let's take a look at XLM and what XLM is doing, and then we're going to go to Aave, right? Here we go on XLM, guys. Looks a lot like a rising wedge, doesn't it? Yeah, kind of on the 7, right? On the 7, we are lifting up. However, I will say this. BB Handler, yes, her gifts are back. Thank you. Thank you so much, Eve. I appreciate you. Here we go, guys. This looks a lot like a rising wedge. We don't pop out of this top trend line, right? We got to watch for a breakdown. Why? Rising wedges break down. They are a bearish bias pattern, right? Thank you, Eve. I appreciate you. If we do not pop up and out of this trend line up here at 2024, very likely we're going to roll over and come down. DXY gave us a dropout. VIX is bullish, sideways BTC. Mix alt treasuries have the bull. Let's go, Farrell, right? Here we go, guys. On the 7-minute, we need to get up and above this level right here at 2025. If we do that on XLM, and we are coming up on the Stokes, and hey, what dog? Nice to see you. Guys, we are coming up on the Stokes and the RSI. However, I will say this. If we cannot, whenever I look, thank you, Eve, thank you, the assistant. Guys, whenever, she knows nothing, RPS. Much love to you. I hope you have a better day because it seems like you're having a rough day today, right? BTC pumping, it's doing well, what dog? What I will say is this, guys. When the Stokes and the RSI are pointed up, and they are coming up aggressively in the channel, but the price action is not following it. That is something that we have to heed. It is a warning that we are not strong enough to actually push price action up here. RPS, there is an exit button. I don't have a lot of patience today, right? Not with haters anyway. Have a great day, though. Here we go, guys. If we do not come up in price action on this while we are coming up on the Stokes and the RSI, very, very likely we do not have enough power to push us out. And we need power. Crypto Pop-Pop, nice to see you, right? Here we go, guys. We have a W pattern here. Here's one hump of the W. Here's the other hump of the W. If we push out, that is what is going to push us out here, guys. It is going to be this W pattern. Here it is, guys. Here's the upside and the downside. Actually, I'm going to go to the hourly, right? And we're going to take a look at the hourly and what the... Oh, Solano, your mom, he says. Hey, Solano, Crypto Pop-Up, thank you so much. Here we go, guys. 1 hour. What are we doing on the hourly, guys? We are coming up. However, I don't like this curvature on the Stokes. Which altcoins can make 10 to 20x? A lot of them. Panda. A lot of them, right? When we get into a bullish period, a lot of them. Right now, I can't tell you that. I'm not a financial advisor. You have to do the research on your own and find the ones that are right for you. I don't like this right now. We're in a bear flag, right? Here's the pole. Here's the flag. We are in a rising wedge also. Not a good sign if the higher time frames want to roll over. What WTF are you doing with all those lines? Tom, you got to get to know me. That's all I have to say, right? I am heavily ADHD. I'm a heavy pattern trader. I leave my lines on. Tech rotation has moved into large cap from small. Tech micro still strong. Guys, listen to Farrell. Give her a follow. She is creating content now, and it is good. Here we go, guys. What are we looking at? We have this W pattern inside of the rising wedge. If this W pattern can pop us up and out, this is the only way we're getting out of this, right? Only way we're getting out of this. Mike says the gap is at 2140 to 2050. There we go. There we go. Special Forces Greece. Nice to see you. Here we go, guys. We have a W pattern inside of a rising wedge. Which pattern is going to take over? We're going to try and find that out. Here we go, guys. We break over this level. This is your first level to the upside on XLM 2020, right? 0.2020. Here we go. Next level to the upside is right here at this resistance level at 2035. We get up and over 2035, guys. We could get a big move. We are sitting right in the middle. Farrell says you should see mine. The rage you would have me gleeful. She says, I love that so much. Hey, Raj. Nice to see you. We get up and over this level at 2035. We are most likely going to run at this target of that W pattern inside of the rising wedge at 2048. Guys, we get up to 2048. This is where it gets interesting, right? If we get up to 2048 and we come back down to bullishly retest this level at 2034 and we take off, now look at what is in the cards. Bolster, thank you. Nice to see you. Thank you for the follows, guys. If you haven't followed me and you would like to, please follow me directly from the live. I have 600 copycats. They will try to scam you in your DMs. It is not a follower account thing. Half of my followers are bots anyway, right? The real followers are in here, 110 people. It is a safety thing. Please follow me directly from the live. Otherwise, you won't be able to find me again. You will find one of my copycats. They'll try to scam you. Carrie, thank you for following me. Here we go, guys. Here is where the real fun begins. We get up and over. Shauna, nice to see you. We get up and over 2050. And we come down here to bullishly retest at 2034. And we take off to this level right here. Here is your next level, 2078. We get up and over 2078, guys. Here starts the real fun. Grabbing these guys out of here. Thank you, Shauna. Guys, my mods are fire, right? Money Talk, Rude Boy, Assistant, Eric Watson, Lady Long Term, Kelly, Sarah, Shauna, J Heap, B Rose, and Dream to Action. Thank you. I appreciate you guys. Guys, we get up here to this level right here at 2077. Guess what we have here, guys? We have a double bottom. I'm going to spread this out. We have a double bottom, a W pattern right here. I doubled down my auto buys, leveling out last year's purchases. There we go, Raging Cajun. We get up and over 2077. How do we measure a W pattern, guys, or a double bottom? From the top of the trend line to the lowest part of the bottom, and you drag this up. Whoa, look at that confluence. Tech parabolics are intact, but barely. Dominance about to break the bull flag. Decision time. Guys, it is decision time. Here we go. Thank you, Farrell. We make it up all the way to here. And guys, that is the breakout of that W pattern at 2153. We get up and over this level. We have a massive run for XLM. Those are your upside targets for right now. 2150 is the top target. We went straight from here. This rising wedge with the W pattern in it, which can definitely break up to the upside, right? We break out that W pattern. We come here first at 2035. If we break out of 2022 and we go to this level right here at 2080. We go to 2080 and we get up and over. We bullishly retest this. We're coming to 2153. And guys, do we always have to retest? No. Does it retest a lot of the time? Yes. It retests 70% of the time. If you are in my school, we talk about this all the time. Do not trade on the breakout unless you are a skilled, seasoned breakout trader. And guys, I don't know one. So if you are trading the breakout, more than likely, especially if you don't have a stop loss, you are going to get wrecked. We don't trade the breakout. We trade the retest. And if you trade the retest, more than likely, you can pull your stop down far enough that it's below some safety levels, right? That is what we're aiming for. Guys, if you miss the entry, you miss the entry. That is okay. Look at these levels. You can get in at any single one of these levels, right? Breakouts always circle around to retest. Marcus, you got it, right? Guys, it retests 70% of the time. If you miss the move, wait until the next level. If you guys want to learn this and you want to jump into my off TikTok group, it is in the link in my bio. It is called Level Up Crypto. We teach levels in there. I teach every day live in there at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Guys, jump in there. It's 7 days free right now. I will be in there even on vacation at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Come and jump in and learn with us. Learn how to chart and how to trade and how to pull money out of this market every single day. Moo dang curling. There we go. Is it? Here we go. Moo dang curling. Let's see what happens, guys. Let's see what happens here. Moo dang is one of my indicators that maybe we're going to take a charge up. Let's see what's happening. Those are your levels to the upside on XLM. Let's take a look at the lower levels, guys. Here's the lower levels. We dump out of this rising wedge, right? Guys, we're still in a rising wedge. We dump out of this rising wedge, and it is part of a bear flag, right? I'm going to go to BTC in just a minute because I am going to hop out of here at 5. Sucking power, triple math, bear curl for Moo Dang. She leads the way, guys. It looks like we're coming down, right? Why do I use Moo Dang? It is an indicator. For some reason, it moves before the rest of the market, right? We roll down. Here are your downside levels for XLM. First level is the bottom trend line of this bear flag at 2005. We bleed that level, guys. We're coming down to the wick, which is right here at 1958. And if we bleed that, we are validating this bear flag, and we are coming down here at 1900. Okay? Those are your levels on XLM. The immediate levels, if we bleed 1894, thank you, Bolster. If we bleed 1894, very, very likely we're coming down to the support at 1834. There it is, guys. Right? There it is. Excuse me for 1 second. All right, guys. Here we go. We bleed this level right here. We're coming down here at 1744. Okay, can you spell Moo Dang? Yes, I can. It's M-O-O-D-E-N-G. Actually, we'll take a look at it right now. Let's take a look at it. Those are your levels for XLM, guys. XLM looks like it wants to roll over on the higher time frames, right? Rolls over on the higher time frames. Guess where we're going? We're breaking down that bear flag, breaking down the rising wedge, and we are coming down. Let's take a look at Moo Dang right now. What is Moo Dang doing? All right, here we go, guys. 1 hour. This is Moo Dang. It is a meme coin. I don't usually chart a ton of meme coins on here. We look at hype. Yeah, I can take a look at hype. Kind of tired, hovering around the bottom sideways the last weeks. There we go, Marcus. Right? There we go, guys. We get tired. We can have a pop up. And this is why over the last 6 months, I have been midterm bearish. Right? Every single time we get a pop up, we fade it. And that doesn't mean that we can't make a big move today. However, I never tell you guys that we are definitely going up or down. I give you the levels and I let the charts decide. I do not rule the charts, unfortunately. Otherwise, we'd all be on a yacht right now, right? But I do not rule the charts. And right now, it is looking like we are coming down 1 hour heavily, right? Here we go. We have a money flip on the 1 hour for Moo Dang, right? Moo Dang has been an indicator for what the rest of the market is doing. I don't know why. I just know it is so. I have back tested this over and over again. So is Farrell in here. And we have noticed that it makes a move before the rest of the market. And right now what it's doing is this. That would be a great time. Yes, it would if we could control the charts. Right? Guys, what it's doing is it has bearishly retested a diamond pattern. And now we are rolling over. It is 1 to 3 minutes early, says Farrell. Guys, she has back tested this, right? Here we go. If we break down Moo Dang, here is what's going to happen. We break this diagonal trend line right here at 41.93. Very, very likely what's going to happen, we're going to break down this bear flag. It's right here, right? Here is the pole right here. Here is the flag right here. Guys, this is the flag. This is the pole. We break that down. That is a diagonal, that trend line that we are breaking down today especially. What's the hype about? Thomas Belcher, nice to see you. Lucid Dreams, thank you for the follow. Guys, we bleed this level right here at 4188. Very, very likely we're going to come down here at 0.03884. Does this mean the run is over? No. However, if we start bleeding the moving averages on multiple time frames, guys, very, very likely we are rolling over and coming down. Blake is in the house. I saw you. You can't sneak in here. Marcus, thank you. Here we go, guys. We already went over XRP. It's Adam. I'm sorry. I don't have time to go over it again, but I will. Guys, If you are new here for the first time, I am live every single morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Come and join us, right? We have a great community. They're welcoming, kind, and respectful. Come and hang out with us. You always brighten my day. Good to see you. Good to see you too, Thomas. Nice to see you. Guys, here we go. We bleed this level right here at 0.04188. We are coming down here on this bear flag. Now, Trinidad in the house. Brandon Jones, nice to see you. I saw that pretty thing. Here we go. 0.03880. That is where we are headed on Moodang, and that is not all, guys. Blake, what are you seeing? Right? That is not all. What are we looking at here? We are also looking at this, guys. If we bleed this level right here, we are also bleeding a M pattern. Here is one hump of the M. Here is the second hump of the M. Guys, see how this snowballs, right? We don't just have one pattern and one target. We have one pattern that leads into a second one, that leads into a third one, and that is where you get the big moves from. Jack, thank you for the follow. Chloe, thank you for the follow. Hey, Crypto Hornet. Guys, we bleed this level right here at 0.03897. We are bleeding a big M pattern. Here is the M pattern from the top of the M to the bottom of the trend line. You drag this down. This is your next target down here at 0.03400. Still thinking the same thing I was in the morning. Guys, Blake is a G. He's a G, right? Blake and Farrell help me every single day. They are brilliant traders and chartists. Right? And I am honored to be with them every single day. Thank you to you two. You guys are amazing. Blake said this morning, Blake called the dump this morning, guys. Right? We're going to give credit where credit is due. He called the dump this morning. And did that thing dump? Yeah, it did. Did it pump afterwards? Yes, it did. Guys, that is what charts do. That is why no one on this app knows exactly where we are going. That is why no one has any business calling the bottom or the top. Right? When you do that, you lead people astray because we don't know where we are going, right? We don't know where we're going. And to do that messes people up. Austin, thank you. Jake, thank you for the follow. Hey now, you happen to be a wizard yourself, lady. Thank you. Thank you. Is it going to dump after the pump? Yes, it will. There we go, Blake, right? Thank you, Farrell. Here we go, guys. Yeah, all right, here we go. What a great song. All right. Let's go to, what else do we want to check out? Hype. Let's go to Hype. I'm going to do One Does Not Simply Dead Cat Bounce. Ned Stark voice. Raging Cajun. There it is. Let's take a look at Hype, guys. Right? Guys, I love this space. I wish that TikTok would get its stuff together so that I could stay on this platform because I love this space. Thank you for being the crowd and the community that comes here every day and supports me. I am only here because of you, guys. That's it. You guys want to learn how to chart and how to trade? Come into my off TikTok group. It is called Level Up. If you are in that group and you are learning and growing and making money, can you put a W in the chat for me? SOC. I don't know what that is. Austin, is that a ticker? Let me know. We can do it. There's the W. Solom Spartan is in the house. Nice to see you. Mike is in there. Phil's in there. Blake is in there. Yes, we can take a look. I'll take a look at some. All right, here we go, guys. Black Bull, Lucid Dream, nice to see you. Loa Diamond Point on Hype is legit. Let's go to Hype, guys. Let's take a look at Hype. Hey, 501, B-Dog says WWWW. That guy took a lot of wins, right? There he is. Chelsea always seeking diamonds. Woman's provocative. There we go. It is. Last year was $35. Now it's under $4. There we go. Right? I don't know what that is, but we can take a look at it. If it's on TradingView. If it's not on TradingView, I can't take a look. Guys, let's take a look at Hype. I'm back. Right? I'm back. Fatima's in there. Lady Long Term is in there. There we go. Marcus, thank you. Let's take a look at the 8-hour chart, guys. Here we go. All right. Here we go, guys. Let's take a look at the 8-hour. 8-hour for Hype. Guys, we're holding on Hype, right? We're holding and we're curling on Hype, right? We are curling on Hype on the 8-hour. MACD is still green. We've got a money flip on the Stokes. Let's see if the lower time frames can hold us. What I will say is this. We are in a what, guys, on Hype? We are in a huge cup and handle on the higher time frames. And now look at what we're in. A double bottom. We have come up and pumped out of the double bottom. Once we get up and above this level right here at 77,122, excuse me, 77,122, we pop out of this double bottom. We get up and over this, guys. This is going to be a good thing right here. Let's go to the lower time frames to see what patterns they have for us. Let's go to the 1 hour. Hype is looking a little dumpy on the 1 hour, right? Here we go, guys. What do we have right here? This is our level of support. We need to hold this level if we want to go anywhere. We don't hold this level, guess what? We're coming down. And what are we coming down in? A shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder, guys. This is forming the right shoulder. This breaks the moving averages on the 1 hour. We are coming down, right? Here we go. How do we measure a head and shoulders pattern? We are also rolling through. RSI 6 is rolling through the 12 and the 24 to the downside. We also have slumpage on the MACD. MACD has a couple of little green candles. However, guys, right? Stokes are rolling out aggressively. Here we go. A little biggie for you. Here we go. Top of the head, bottom of the trend line. Drag this to the supposed breakout. Right here, we break this level right here at 68.64. We are coming down here. Austin, thank you. Nice to see you. We are coming down here at this target at 65.81. And if we break that, midpoint of the 1 hour cup is perfect. Topless diamond. Return to the vault point is in play. Let's go. Oh, however, Ave, I got you, man. Guys, we're going to rush through this so I can be done, right? So I can be done for the night. But I'll be back at 9:15. If you're new here, come and visit me at 9:15. Here we go, guys. Shoulder, head, shoulder to the downside. If we break this level right here at 68.64, we will come down to this level right here at 65.87. We break that, guys. We have a bigger pattern in play. What is it? It is this, 9:15 a.m. That's what I'm live. Guys, all right, here we go. We break this target and we come down and hit this target. And also, what now? Did you say 5 something? Me vault point is at 54.76. Guys, when me and Farrell and Blake have the same levels, very, very likely, guess what? It's a level to pay attention to. Here we go. First level, 65.82. That is a target, not a level. Your next level is down here at 64.36. Next level is down here at 59.57, guys. And here's how we get there. We go from the top of the head to the bottom of the trend line. We have a head and shoulders into a head and shoulders, right? When we have that, what is the chart telling you? Especially when the RSI looks like it wants to push through the 12 and the 24 to the downside. Adria, thank you. Farrell, what is the vault point? Here we go, guys. From the top of the head to the bottom of the trend line. Guys, this gets us right down to our major support right here. Key support at 59.78. Mama B thing, nice to see you. It's because I got kicked off of the live this morning. Thank you so much for the heart puff. Guys, I appreciate you. Here we go. This brings us all the way down to 59.78. Right? We bleed 59.78. We are coming down here at 52.86. And guess what? Pow pow, thank you. Guess what? That target is below our major key level of support, guys. Right? Live goal achieved. Thank you guys so much for the gifts and the heart me's. I appreciate you. Wednesday, June 10th, 2300 vault point. There it is. Right? There it is. Guys, we bleed this level right here at 59.117. We are coming down here at 52.86. There is your path to the downside. Let's give you the path to the upside. Here it is. I do this every day, guys. No one knows exactly where the charts are doing. We can give it our best shot. However, we don't know, right? We don't know. Here we go. We've got a complex inverse head and shoulders here. We've got a shoulder, shoulder, head, shoulder, shoulder. If this holds this level right here at 568, and we get up and over this diagonal trend line right here at 73,227, we can make our way up. What are we going to make our way up to, guys? Here it is. You measure from the top of the trend line to the bottom of the lowest part of the head, and you drag this out to the supposed breakout. Guys, here's your upside level, right? Here's your upside levels. Thank you guys so much for being in here today. I'm Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. I do this every morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Spartacus, thank you for the heart me, right? Here we go. We break over a 73.09. We're going to come up here to this next resistance level at 77,487. And guys, if we get up and over right here at this level, 77,487, hailfire. What afternoon? What's the emergency? No emergency. The emergency is that I got kicked off my live this morning, and I felt like I should jump back in, right? 77,487. Guys, we get up and over that, which, by the way, we have a target that leads us up and over that at 82,146. We get up and over that. We are breaking a what, guys? Adam and Eve double bottom. We break that. Where are we going to? We're coming here. How do you measure an Adam and Eve double bottom? Top of the trend line, regular measurement down to the lowest part of the bottom. We drag this out. Here is your path to the upside. She was craving crypto, says Lady Long Term. I love that. Thank you. I was wondering what happened. Yeah, guys, I got kicked off and suspended this morning for impersonating myself. Because someone was streaming my live on another live on one of my copycats. And guys, if you don't follow me, please follow me directly from the live, right? Adam is blessed too, big old boy. Yes, he is. Such a bad girl, I know, right? Lower lows to come, Larry, possibly, right? We never know. Here are your levels to the upside, 73,295. Next level to the upside is right here at 77,397. Guys, if you pay attention to my levels, you can know where we are going. Not for sure, right? Is this one of the pre-recorded lives? No, Matt, it's me, right? This is the real me. ADHD equals time blind, so she corrects the morning with the live now. There we go, right? Yo, Formix, nice to see you. We break up and over 77,397. More than likely, we're coming to this target at 82,222. We break that, guys. We are more than likely coming to this target of the Adam and Eve double bottom at 97.54. Those are your levels to the upside and the downside on hype. What I will say is this: 1 hour, not looking hot. 4 hour, not looking hot. What Cosmic said wasn't disrespectful. It was true. Oh, okay. Mr. Slippers, that's okay. Guys, at this point, it doesn't really matter, right? Hailfire, hi. Nice to see you. Thank you so much, right? Here we go, 77.85 and up here at 98.034, right? 98.034. Let me just say something. I wish every creator on this app that is doing good for the community well, right? Whether or not there has been something in the past or not, you guys know me. I wish no ill will on anyone, and I hope they do well, right? Thank you for your suggestion. I refer and follow to your advice. Here we go, guys. 98.34. We break that level, we got to run. But, guys, we got to get past here first, and we got to hold this level. We don't hold this level, we're not going anywhere fast, right? We're not going anywhere fast. Let's take a look at Aave and Bitcoin before I pop out of here. Thank you guys for hanging out with me this afternoon. I kind of like the afternoon crowd, too. I don't do many afternoon lives. However, I appreciate you guys, right? I appreciate you guys jumping in and hanging out with me today. We're going to take a look at Aave. Guys, if you are in my group, I didn't know you did a dual stream. I don't crypto TikToks. Guys, give him a follow. He is hilarious, and he has great lives and a lot of good information. Bonnie, nice to see you. Here we go, guys. If you are in my group, my off TikTok group, yeah, that's what threw me off. It's too late for you. I know, Matt, right? Hype, Adam's Vault means a triple star at 98.98 with an extension math to 116. Mid 1.5 pitchfork fib. Let's go, Farrell, right? Here we go, guys. If you are in my off TikTok group, you will know that we put this trade in the TikTok group, in the off TikTok group. If you want to join that group, guys, go to the link in my bio. It is called Level Up Crypto. I am in there live every single day teaching a class. There's no music. There's no calling out people. I do say hi to everyone. However, I teach a lesson in there every single day. If you are interested in crypto and you're interested in learning, jump into that group. It is in the first link in the link in my bio. Right now it's 7 days free, and then it is $3 a day, guys. Right? A lot of the people in there have already made their subscription back in trades or in knowledge, right? You got a Discord for me to join so I can annoy you? I don't have a Discord crypto TikToks. You do though, right? I have an off TikTok group, Skool. I will send you a DM. Here we go, guys. We are in Aave right now. 8 hour, guys. 8 hour is looking like it wants to roll, right? RSI is pushing through the 12 and the 24. What I will say here, guys, I'm going to say something, and this is not a prediction. I do, but then you join mine so I can annoy you there. Okay, there we go. I am not a Discord. I'm not a Discord person. I can't figure out. There's too many rooms. I would love to join everyone's Discord, but I don't really hang on Discord that much. Guys, what I will say is this. Even though it looks like we're coming down, we are holding here, right? When we are holding, my crazy girl, I'm not going to be able to do ETH. I have to get out of here after Bitcoin. What I will say is this. We are holding here. It's making me suspicious. Pharaoh, what are you seeing in the charts? If you don't know, she's a powerful wizard, said Sean. Thank you. Guys, we're holding here, weirdly, right? And when we're holding weirdly, what does that tell us? My girl, Kazi, I will do ETH for you tomorrow morning if you're in there. Tomorrow morning at 9:15. Farrell says, Aave rejected on a small sell block, 30K left. It recharges for another go. Guys, we're holding weirdly here. We are either holding to stall and dump, or we are holding to pump. So we are in the middle here, right? Either could we be going bullish? Yes, we can always be going bullish, right? However, I don't like the high time frames, right? High time frames are looking dumpy to me. Guys, daily is pointed straight up. Could we pump from the daily? Yeah, we could. Yeah, we could. Right? Yeah, it's got me moving stop loss and take profit because I'm confused. Matt, right? It's back and forth. Guys, be careful in your trades, right? Use a stop loss and a take profit. Be careful. It can bleed you dry by trading this, right? Wait until it has confirmation and it tells you a direction. I'm seeing perfect pull math. It's already pulled to the open. It has to break 6K cells. Farrell, are you saying we're going down or we're going up? Right? Here we go. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. Let's see what's happening on the 4 hour. Guys, we're rolling on the 4 hour, the 8 hour, the 1 hour, the 12 hour. This is not looking great. However, here is the caveat, and here's your levels. Good afternoon. Hey, Nico. Nice to see you. Bunch of gaps to the downside starting at 95.31. Guys, I don't like how this looks, right? We're stalling here, which gives me a little bit of pause, but I don't like how this looks. We are rolling on the 4 hour, rolling on the 1 hour. We're looking, Jessica Pennington, Turtle Trader, Hairfire. Thank you so much for the gifts, guys. We're rolling on the 8 hour, 4 hour, 1 hour. Not looking too good. However, we're going to give you an if-then statement. Guys, if we hold this diagonal trend line right here, and you guys will see, my diagonal trend lines, they hold, right? I form them with 2 touches. The third touch is a confirmation. Guys, if we hold right here, Spartacus, thank you. If we hold right here, have fun, Zen. Have a good time. Here we go, 94.11. If we hold this 94.11, this is a bull flag right here that could break us out on Aave. And guys, again, if you're on my off TikTok group, we had this trade falling all the way up from the beginning on the weekly. So you guys have the levels already, right? If we do pop out of this bull flag, which we absolutely can do, and we get up and over this level right here, here's the levels on Aave, guys, right? First level to the upside is right here. We need to hold it, right? 93.81, we need to hold it. Next level to the upside is here at 101.95. Next level to the upside is here at 113.97. So it's a perfect time to buy, maybe. My G, thank you for the follow. Here we go. 113.97 is your next level to the upside that is also a target. Bull flag on the 4 hour, guys. I mark out my levels. I need to know what the patterns are and what the levels of support and resistance are, right? We break this level to the upside. We are coming up here at 125.82. Ha! I have 102.63, guys. Phil's got it, right? We have the same level. Phil, you're a G. Thank you so much for being in here this afternoon. 101.63, guys, we got the same level. That is a level. We break that level to the upside. We're coming to 126. 16. So you're telling me there's a chance. Radio Dan, there is always a chance. There is always a chance that we're going to go the other way and defy it. And then there's a streaker, same streaker. Guys, and then we've got a big level up here. Why? Now, we have got to break this level right here at 146.22. If we break 146.22, guys, where are we headed? We are headed here. Guys, are we breaking out right now? Yeah, we are. Yeah, we are. Right? Yeah, we are. Let's go. Guys, that's why when we were stalling, I said to you, we're stalling. We have to heed this. Yes, we are breaking out. Guys, let's go. Next level is to the upside right here at 206.42. That is the streaker. I think we got a fake out pump, then down 50%, possibly. Right? 123.84 is my start point. Let's go. Here's the levels to the downside, guys. We break these. I don't even know why I'm telling you these because we are pumping out. First level to the downside, 80.64. Next level to the downside, 70.59. Next level is down here at 38.12. There we go, guys. Let's go to Bitcoin. All right, and then I'm going to be out for the day. Here we go. 64,491. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Right? Here we go. Let's go. And then I'm into a parabolic mass structures after 123. Let's go, guys. Here we go. Let's go to Bitcoin. Let's give you the levels. Are we pumping out of this? Yes. Heck, yes, we are. Hold on one second, guys. Heck, yes, we are. Here we go, guys. We are pumping out of this. Where are we pumping to? You guys know my levels. Finally, let's go. First level to the upside, we are at right now at 64,709. We break this level to the upside. Where are we headed to? We are headed to the first target. This is the target of the bull flag, 65,484, and then we are headed here, guys. 66,506. We break that level to the upside. We're headed to 67,357. And then to here, guys. Now, here's where it comes in, right? We are either coming up here to bearishly retest this bear flag, or we are going to pump straight through. And if we pump straight through, where are we going to? Keep sharing out the live, guys. Thank you. If we pump through here, Romcal, Spacey, thank you. If we pump straight through, guys, where are we headed to? We are headed to 75K. We get up and over 75K, guys. Here we go. We get up and over 75K. We are defying that bear flag on the daily, right? That is what we are doing, guys, right? We need to defy the bear flag on the daily or else we are coming back down. Here's the levels to the downside. We got to watch for support. Here they are right here. First level to the downside, 63,293. Mommy Crypto, good morning or good afternoon, right? 63,293. Next level to the downside is this diagonal trend line at 62,625. Next level to the downside is here at 62,339. And guys, if we get past this, we are breaking the bear flag. We're breaking the 50% level in the bear flag. We are off to the races. Let's see what the lower time frames are doing. And then, babe, I'll be home, right? I've got a gift for you, B. I was born, so I did things, said Crypto TikToks. Thank you. I can't wait to see it, Crypto TikToks. Guys, give him a follow. He is a great creator. I just found him, but he's been here for a while. Give him a follow. He is going to be on YouTube. I will soon be on YouTube as well. If you want to click the link in my bio, those are my verified links. Go and follow me on those platforms, guys. YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Yes, this is going to be a great week. I hope so. Let's go to the lower time frames. Let's see if we're pumping out here. And yeah, we are, guys. Here we go. See what happens when price stalls like that, guys. Right? When price stalls like that, it's telling you, it's trying to make a decision. We are working our way through sell and buy blocks. Right? And once we do that, we can unleash, which is what happened here. Okay? Bull flag to the upside. Guys, where's that target? It is right here at 65,506. That is well beyond that resistance level. DXY bear flag, VIX full bull, dominance pin to go bear. Moodang is in a full breakout. Let's go. Let's go. What does DXY and dominance chart look like? Let's take a quick look at those. Guys, this looks like we're powering up now. Did we flip? Yeah, we did. Right? Did we flip on all time frames? Yeah, we did. 27-minute looking up. 1 hour looking up. Spacey, thank you. 1 hour looking up. We're curving on the Stokes. MACD is green, headed straight up. RSI has curved and is heading up now. I am so glad to be on this live right now. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, right? Here we go, guys. Let's just check out the dominance here. Dominance is pinned, guys. Look at this swing wick fail. This thing turns around. We swing wick failed this level. This is a great thing for alts, right? This is a great thing for alts. If we swing fail this level and BTC dominance turns around, you guys already know we are in a complex head and shoulders, right? We break this level right here at 58.63. We are headed down to here at 58.26. Nice. You catch the bull return. BTC breaking 64. Let's go. Guys, they may have stifled me this morning, but I'm back this afternoon. What will gold do when it opens high from the Bahamas, high fresh, right? What will it do when it opens? I don't know, right? This looks like we are swing failing this level, guys, and if we do this, and Bitcoin dominance turns around and starts bleeding down, what is that going to do for your alts, guys? It's going to push them. It's going to push them. Right? All in on Fartcoin, says Safe Bet. I'm so glad you're all in on Fartcoin. All right, guys. I'm going to get off for the day. My husband and kids are waiting for me at home. Thank you for hanging out with me today. I will be back. Thank you, Marcus. Guys, I will be back tomorrow at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you for being with me today. I'm Chelsea. I'm the bullish babe. I'm kicking you out. There we go. Guys, thank you for being here. Thank you to my mods, Money Talk, Rude Boy Assistant, Eric Watson, Lady Longterm, Kelly, Sarah, Shauna, Jay Heat, Cosmic, B-Rose, and Dream to Action, guys. Thank you for being my mods in here. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for being here every single day. If you guys want to jump into my Off TikTok group, it is in the first link in my bio. Come in and join us, guys. I am there every single day teaching a class at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It is free for 7 days right now. You cannot lose, right? You can only win from being in there. You can make new friends. You can see the classes. I teach a class every single day in there with a lesson on trading. If you guys want to learn how to chart and to trade, jump into that Off TikTok group. Come and join us today. It's 7 days free and then $3 a day afterwards. Most people have made money and made their subscription price back in just a couple of weeks or a month. Guys, I'm also a Bitunix affiliate. If you guys haven't tried Bitunix and you're a leverage trader and you would like to find a non-KYC exchange, thank you, Brandon. Thank you, Spacey. A non-KYC exchange to trade in the U.S. or anywhere else. Bitunix is my preferred exchange. I trade there every single day. I've done it for 3 years, right? Join or perish, says Crypto TikToks. There we go. Guys, if you are a VIP trader on another platform, I know we all have our favorite platforms, right? Bitunix has been stealing people's money. I don't think so. I've never heard that in here. And I've been trading there for 3 years, and I've never had a problem. Guys, no exchange is 100% proof, right? I am only human. I can only talk about what I've used, and that's the only things I talk about. As you guys know, I am not a person who does a lot of sponsored content. However, this is something that supports my channel. If you guys are leverage traders, try out Bitunix. If you're a VIP on another platform, I can get you that same status on Bitunix and maybe even more. All you have to do is sign up with my invitation code here, Bullish Babe, trade and prove your trading volume, and then send me a DM and we'll get you the same VIP status on Bitunix. Guys, for those of you who have already done that, you guys get a bonus. I can get commission. It works both ways and it helps to support my channel. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for being in here today. Thank you for supporting me. Oh, just some guy. I love how the haters come in at the end of the live, right before I do my spiel. I appreciate you. Guys, thank you for being in here today. Thank you to the new people that were in here. I hope you come back at 9:15 tomorrow. Tomorrow morning. Crypto TikToks, you crack me up. Joey V, nice to see you. Thank you for the singing flower. Guys, and lastly, and most importantly, we are here on this earth to serve others, right? We are not here for any other reason. Why would we be here for any other reason? Guys, there are a lot of people that are struggling in our community, in our friend group, even in the world, right? And thank you, Matt. And when we see that, all we can do is do one thing at a time, right? We are put here to serve others. When we do that, it creates a ripple that then creates a wave, guys, and can change the world. If we just think, Johan, nice to see you. And if we just think that somebody else is going to do it and it's somebody else's responsibility, thank you, Joey, thank you, Marcus. If we keep on thinking that and passing the buck to others, nothing will ever change, right? Guys, serve others, pay it forward, do something good for somebody else today, whether it is time, energy, or financial. Guys, that changes the world a little bit at a time. Be the stone that makes a ripple. Do something to help someone today. Guys, I am not only here to change the crypto space, I am here to eventually change a bigger world, right? And if we all do that together, we can all make a change, right? Live in gratitude, pay it forward, serve others every single day. It is what enriches your life and theirs, and that will eventually cause a change. Thank you guys so much for being with me today. I will see you tomorrow at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you for being with me. I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you, Farrell and Blake, for helping me with this live every day. I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great night. Win your trades. Bye, guys.